The background of the crisis is due to the spread of COVID-19 which occurred among Malaysians starting on January 23, 2020 due to 3 Chinese nationals entering Malaysia from Singapore, causing many cases of infections that endanger the lives of the community, so the government had to implement a movement control order starting on March 18, 2020 to prevent the virus from spreading to the public. Therefore, many premises had to be closed temporarily, including Green Chef companies, so that the virus would not continue to spread. After reopening, Green Chef Company made changes in the company's organization in order to improve the company's performance as well as the sale of better selling products.
Understand of innovation for own organization. First is the importance of innovation for own organization. Beginning on the innovation process can be risky. So, careful planning and organization awareness are required. Due to the pandemic of COVID-19, it requires so much risks for Green Chef Company to sustain for selling their products to their customers. So they decide to sell their products through online website. Second is the importance of managing with an own organization. It is crucial for the company to manage an effective organizational changes as good as possible. Based on the current situation, Green Chef managed to do a systematic changes in the workplace. This is including changes in the working time, dispersal of workers in certain parts, and implement the standard operating procedure, SOP, in the workplace to ensure the environment are safe from the dangerous emission of virus.
Innovation solutions to improve organizational performance and opportunity for innovation and improvement in own organization to assess. The first is an employee who can do a lot of work. In this situation, the company on the other hand wants to reduce the number of employees, but the Green Chef Company educates. The second is the capital budget, where Green Chef Company reduces the cost used by the company by providing some own services such as courier services to reduce shipping costs. Communication between employers and employees is very important so that all changes made in the organization get employee support.
Today, I will present part of the improvement identified is justified in the context of organization objectives. Organizational goals will play an important role in formulating organizational strategies and determining the allocation of organizational resources. First, we need to identify and SWOT analysis about a company. Here are strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats for the company we interview. Green Chef. Their strengths are: have wide experience in product and business, high quality with reasonable price, and also able to give really good customer care. However, their weakness are don't have big reputation in market, and establishing a reputation on the internet will be challenging. Green Chef Company's opportunity are: they could expand company reach into other parts of worlds and also could partner with other popular brands to introduce new product. Their threats are identifying competition from established chain restaurant. If restaurant cannot be opened, then their customer will be gradually deducted and so is the profit.
A range of techniques are used to generate innovative options to deliver the improvement identified. SWOT analysis in respect of planning and developing change. Secondly, ProSci change management methodology. Maturity model focuses on the people side of change to manage the human side of change, including awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. Feasibility study, to safeguard against wastage of further investment or resources. Options for generating the proposed improvement are evaluated to determine feasibility and viability. In the process of feasibility, we may examine multiple ways to organize our business and position our product or service. The most major research methods for primary sources are focus groups, telephone surveys, questionnaires, and feedback to assess the pros and cons of a decision. For secondary, information has been collected from internal and external sources like information published on websites, newspapers, and trade journals.
Stakeholder means the initial process and stakeholder expectation that forms the basis which the system is designed and the product is realized. This process is to identify who are the stakeholders in an organization and how they intend to use the product. There are the process of managing and engaging stakeholders may result in developing a change request to the project deliverables. It may also cause changes to stakeholder management strategy and the stakeholder register. The managing stakeholders process allows reviewing and modifying the stakeholder benefits identified at precious stages of the project lifecycle. Implemented monitoring or agree on an implemented strategy. Second, agreed time frame. Third, set up a team of change champion. Fourth, draw up detailed implementation plan. And last, establish good program management practice. So organizations that are in good condition.